6:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Sunday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total sleet and snow accumulations between 1 and 4 inches with up to around 5 inches near the Red River. Final preparations for the impending winter weather need to be completed now. Travel could be impossible. Expect power outages and tree damage due to the ice. Travel could be impossible. Travel could be impossible. Expect power outages and tree damage due to the ice.